start. Hi, audience. We have Sudhanshu with us today. He has completed BA LLB from Guru Gobind Singh University, New Delhi, and now he has started his career into intellectual property working with Centrix Noida. So, congratulations, Sudhanshu.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you
So,
so much.
how is your experience with the job going on right now?
Experience is good as they are training me well,
Mm-hmm.
and work experience here is good, ma'am.
Okay. So, what kind of responsibilities you are handling?
Ma'am, I have joined them as a business development associate,
Mm-hmm.
and I have to call US attorneys and pitch them our services so that if they are interested, they can avail it. So
Great,
that
great.
that's my job, ma'am.
Great, awesome. So, Sudhanshu, let's start from the very beginning when you were doing your college from the you're doing your BA LLB. So, how were the college days, and did you thought at the moment that you will be working into intellectual property industry at that time?
No, ma'am. As when I joined the college, I was all into litigation. But
Mm-hmm.
the experience I have after the completing my degree, I would like to change the my career into some corporate sector. That's why I entered into intellectual property.
Mm-hmm. Great. So, after your college, I read your resume. You worked in, I think, Lucknow or District Court, Ayodhya.
Yes,
You worked there.
Ayodhya, District Court Ayodhya and Lucknow Bench Allahabad Court, High
Mm-hmm.
Court Lucknow.
Mhm. So why you were doing litigation? Quite good. You handle a lot of cases there of civil cases
Right,
there.
ma'am. Civil
So,
and negotiable instrument and consumer
mhm,
courts.
mhm. So why you decided that I don't want to go into litigation, but I want to do corporate world in law field? How? What made you made your mind for this?
Ma'am, basically 2 points are there. Main important points are. First, ma'am, after working in litigation for 1 year, I've realized that if you are a first generation lawyer and you are not from NLU, as I'm very average student, ma'am. I'm not extraordinary. So I realized that, ma'am, they don't give you opportunity to appear before a court. They only want you to do a clerical work. So this is the one reason. And during that time, pandemic hits India first time, and courts were closed around 4 months. And even after that, courts were running online mostly. Physical works were very less at the court. So, ma'am, when the workflow decreases, my employer asked me to. He said exactly. He said to me that you can work with us, but we will not pay you until courts will run at full, and we will get the workflow. As ma'am, criminal cases were coming, but civil cases were stopped almost to nil. That people were not coming to the court and they are not filing the civil suits. Criminal suits were filed as people want bail and all these things. So that is the reason, ma'am, when I started searching that from where I can enter into a entry level into a corporate sector, and I find that intellectual property right is the key for me. As ma'am, I was interested in intellectual property right through my college, but in college they don't teach you in that depth. They, as what I can remember, that we have only 6 months to study these subject, and ma'am, that's why I was searching for who can teach me to intellectual property rights so that I can enter into a corporate sector, and I found IIPTA there. So that's the point where I leave the litigation and started the course and shift from Lucknow to Haryana, as my brother lives here and he works in a bank. So I shifted here in Faridabad and started the course, and finally I got placed at Center.
What a great story you have, that you completed, then you struggled a while, and I think then I can say pandemic maybe turned into a new opportunity for
Right,
you.
ma'am. Right, ma'am. It turned for as a new opportunity for me, and as I was not happy there, ma'am, because I was all for 1.5 years I was doing just a clerical work. I was never get the opportunity to stand before a judge for what I have choose LLB. I
Yeah.
have choose LLB to stand there and deliver the case and get the success, but that's what not happening for me. I don't know for others, but for me, that is the main reason. I believe that, ma'am, if you are a first generation lawyer, it will take you at least 3 to 4 years to get something out of it.
But here you are working with US clients, talking to US attorney. This is a much better. You are a much better, and I think at an international space. You're working
Right,
with
ma'am.
international
I'm
clients.
enjoying it, every bit of it. I'm enjoying.
Great, awesome. So tell me, Sudhanshu, lot of law students like you, where you have been, they struggle a lot because in the college they only know either go into litigation or maybe appear for judicial examinations.
Right, ma'am.
So
Right.
there's not much of a corporate guidance at the college level. So do you agree with me? Is this
Yes,
the
ma'am.
stand?
Totally, ma'am. We are trained to get into either in judicial services or go into litigation and be a junior for 4 to 5 years. So, and practical knowledge is very less, ma'am, at college.
Mm-hmm.
They only teach you where at and how
Yeah.
to use those sections. They never teach you. And
Mm.
ma'am, when you graduate and you started practicing, all you know that, ma'am, only practical work is going to help you.
Right.
No matter how much theory you know,
Mm.
if you don't know how to apply it, you are of no use.
Great. So when you got to know about IIPTA, so what thing really made your decision that you shifted to Haryana and you said I want to do this course and this course will help you. So how did you make this decision?
As I told you, after pandemic, I was at home doing nothing for four
Hmm.
to five months. Even after when the courts come, I was not getting paid, and not the amount of work I was getting. So I was searching for that, and I found that 2 3 organizations who are teaching
Hmm.
IP laws.
Hmm.
But ma'am, IIPTA was the one. I have seen that students get placed even after 2 to 3 months because their curriculum is so precise, so concise that they can teach you even 2 to 3 months, and after that you can learn more. It's up to you.
Hmm.
So this is the reason I choose IIP. Even 2 3 organizations else are also present there.
Hmm. So what was the best thing about the course which you really liked?
Ma'am, as recorded videos are available,
Hmm. Hmm.
but the Q&A session, ma'am,
Hmm.
they are the best. You can ask anything, anytime. Even you have a faculty number, you can put your doubt even directly through on phone if you have, and you can get guidance just before the interview if you have any doubt. So these are the things which uh,
So
make
how
me.
many so how many interviews you gave, or was this your
Ma'am,
first interview?
I was totally. My CV was accepted by 3 organizations: SS Rana,
Hmm.
and Enequa, and Centric.
Hmm.
SS Rana was delayed due to some issues at their point of view,
Hmm.
and I was not selected. First interview was mine. First interview was Enequa, and I was not get selected there.
Hmm.
After that, I gave with the Centric, and I get the job there. And even after that, I have given one more interview, Clarivate, at
Hmm.
Clarivate.
Okay.
Result is pending right now.
Mm-hmm. So that means you got like good opportunities in intellectual property, we
Right,
can
ma'am.
say.
Right, ma'am. Even within two months, I have started getting interview calls.
Mm-hmm. Great, awesome. So, how was that day when you got rejected in Enequa? That must be really, really tough.
Right, ma'am. As it was my first interview, and I was very nervous, and also I was very excited for it. But unfortunately, I didn't pass it.
Mhm.
So
Because
no.
some students they get like demotivated ki we didn't get past, but I think the best thing about you were like enthusiastic for every interview you
Yes, ma'am.
gave.
My only aim is to get a job, and
Hmm.
I will not stop until I get a job. So that is my reason behind my motivation.
So your brother and family must be really proud now.
Right, ma'am. Right, ma'am. They supported me throughout. As I have to pay the fees, I have asked them, and they totally agree with me. They said that you can do what you want, what you think you best for you. You can do that. So they
Great, great.
supported me well.
Great, awesome, Sudhanshu. I'm so happy and so very proud of you that finally you keep up your hopes. You studied hard and lot of hard work at your end, which you did and committed yourself. Ki I will do it. And then in the pandemic times, most people are losing their jobs. You
Right, ma'am.
find a new opportunity, which is very optimistic, and we all at IIPT are super proud of you.
Ma'am, it's all of you because you teach us very well, ma'am. As you give us practical knowledge, the thing they ask in interview. So it's all about IIPT. Yeah, as ma'am, I have no knowledge about intellectual property, right? Especially in US laws. Something I know about Indian laws, but I have no knowledge about US laws. And the chart flows you teach us and those things, and the you at the starting of our session you take questions, ask questions us. This gives us a lot of confidence. And in the interviews part, as they ask the same question almost.
Yeah.
So that's
Great.
so
Great, awesome. Sudhanshu, so last question I have, any message you want to give to aspiring, who are in final year of law and they want to enter into corporate, but maybe they are not having the full knowledge and mentorship. So any small message for them so that we can give your message, because you struggled and finally became successful. So any message you want to give it to them?
ma'am, my only message is that don't wait like me for 1.5 year. Don't waste your time. If you have a feeling that you are doing nothing fruitful, then change it. Go to the place where you are happy. Don't waste your time. If you waste your time, you will lost opportunity. Other people get it. So if any time you feel that you are not getting appreciated, you are not getting paid for the work you are doing, you are not getting the opportunities you are looking for, you should change your profile.
Great, 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 awesome. Thank you so much, Sudhanshu. And we wish you all the very best. This is just a beginning of our journey, and we'll be in touch because you and me are now same profession, the same
Right,
field,
ma'am.
and we wish you all the very best. And Sudhanshu, we will be soon commencing our program on international trademark laws, which will be same. So because we want you to grow in this field,
Right.
so that course will be given to you as a small gift from our end.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so
Because we
much.
want you to grow to a next level, so we have a next level course where you can study about international US and European trademark law, so that your practice and your skills get more and more enhanced. So that program is starting in month of June. That is
Okay,
also a
ma'am. I
3-month
will I
program.
will definitely join it, ma'am.
So that will be a weekend program because a lot of working professionals will be joining us, so we'll be sponsoring that program for you because we
Thank you so
want
much,
you
ma'am.
to become more and more successful.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's my pleasure.
Thank you, Sudhanshu. All the very best. And my special regards to your family and to your brother who supported you
Right,
through this
ma'am.
journey.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sudhanshu, for talking to me. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Have a nice one.